Hi everyone. Thanks for dropping in on Lillian's channel today. We're parked here today on the side of Highway 175 in East Texas between Frankston and Cooney. Lillian is right there on her dad's shoulder. She's meeting a very lovely family today. They stopped in as well to check out the spring. I'm so impressed with how Lillian took to these children and these parents. She just really loved them. Sometimes we all catch ourselves caught up in other things, and I was busy videotaping and didn't get a chance to meet the family like I wanted to, and then we left, so I miss not talking to them. But I did get a pretty good video for you guys. I thought you all might be interested in seeing this roadside spring for a couple of reasons. Now, through the years, I had heard a lot of tales concerning this spring. So I did a little research and digging for my own curiosity. I didn't come up with a lot of information concerning the full history of the spring, but I did hear some pretty interesting tales. There's Lillian, my pretty girl.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta keep them in film.
Some big steps right there. Took a lot getting up there with this camera on my shoulder. This is one of the oldest springs in East Texas. It is called the Natchez Spring, and it produces artesian water from an aquifer next to the Natchez River.
Oh, yeah.
By 1836, many Caddo, Cherokee, Natchez, and other Indian tribes inhabited this area. Pioneers also began making their homes here. And this spring was a source of water to the Indian tribes and settlers in the area, and also travelers who were passing through.
You're doing a good job.
Research by others and myself have found that people believed this spring could make you look younger and help with any ailment you may have. And therefore the sick and the healthy people would frequent the spring, believing that it actually held miraculous powers in its waters. About 1929, construction began on the road right there in front of the spring. But the spring kept flooding the road, so they finally decided to protect the flowing spring and the roadway. So they built this beautiful roadside embankment. And people come from all over East Texas to fill their jugs and water buckets and bottles with this pure fresh water that was believed to hold healing powers. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed learning a little bit of history and information about this East Texas spring. And if you're ever passing through East Texas, make sure you stop by our roadside spring and enjoy our refreshing waters. So we hope y'all have a great day, and we will catch you next time.